Hello, I'm Caleb. We're doing an unboxing video. So this is Peppa Pig's Evie Spark. And then let's unbox it. And it's made by Hasbro. Now let's open it. Let's go. Open this unboxing. Okay, we opened the first one. Let's open the second one. Oh wait, I didn't know this yet. Let's go open it. Oh yes, this is how we go with this. Look at this. And now let's open. And look, this is how it looks like. Now let's put this out. What the heck? Let's go open this. And let's go remove this. Oh wait, there's a piece of tape that I can remove. Dito cannot like dentist. Oh yes, wait. Okay, we removed it. Wow, look at this stuff. This is the duck in the pond that can move. And this is Evie's stroller. Look. And this is Peppa with duck shirt. And this is Evie, but it's wearing another clothes. And that Peppa Pig.
No more.
Go. Put Evie over here. Oh, it doesn't fit. Let me go. Look, this is Evie. And Peppa is pushing Evie at the stroller. Oh, there's two differences of Evie. Look. This is the difference of the Evies that I have. So this is the original Evie, the main one, and this is the other one. And then Peppa Pig needs to go. So, bye.